Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenPad 10 Z300C, and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll and find language and input. Okay, and on the very first position we've got the language, so click on it. And here we've got the list of languages from which we can choose from. Let me pick, for example, this one. Simply click on the language you want to use, and as you can see, it has automatically changed to the chosen language. If you want to get back to English, simply go to the language again, scroll and find English, click on it, and it has been immediately applied. So that's all. This is how to change language in your ASUS ZenPad 10 Z300C, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.